Hi, CASA kindergartners. Miss Mia here, and I am going to read you a book called A Second is a Hiccup. Hiccup! And the reason I'm reading you this book, even though it's not my story day or time, is because this book is all about time. And in week 10, we are learning to tell the time alliteration. So let's begin. A second is a hiccup. Hiccup! How long is 1 second? A second is a hiccup. Hiccup! The time it takes to kiss your mom or jump a rope or turn around. So 1 second is a very short amount of time. How long is a minute? 60 seconds to a minute, 60 hiccups, 60 hops. Or if you sing just one small song, chorus, verses, not too long, that's just enough to fill a minute. So 1 second is a hiccup, and 60 seconds make a minute. How long is an hour? 60 minutes singing by if you build a sandy tower. Run right through a sprinkly shower, climb a tree and smell a flower. Pretend you have a superpower. That should nicely fill an hour. 1 second is a hiccup, 60 seconds make a minute, and 60 minutes makes 1 hour. How long is a day? 24 hours by the clock, starting when the sun comes up. A day needs filling like a cup. Hiccups, kisses, songs, and showers. Lots of trees and lots of flowers. Breakfast, lunch, and snack and dinner. Play some games and cheer the winner. Draw a picture, read a book, tell a joke, and learn to cook. Watch the sunshine fade away. Fall asleep, and that's a day. 1 second is a hiccup. 60 seconds makes a minute. 60 minutes make an hour. 24 hours make a day. Do you notice a pattern here? We're going from shorter increments of time to longer periods of time. Short and long are words that we use when we are talking about time. How long is a week? 7 days all in line. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the end day. Saturday, a favorite one. Some are quiet. Some are fun. Work days, home days, play days, school days. 7 wake ups, 7 sleeps. Close your eyes, but do not peek. But you'd never, ever, ever stay asleep for 1 whole week. A second is a hiccup. 60 seconds makes 1 hour. 24 hours makes 1 day. 7 days makes 1 week. How long is a month? 4 weeks add up to form a month. Lots of time for things to change. Seasons often rearrange. Winters melt and warm up and warm to springs. Caterpillars find their wings. And if you fall and scrape a shin, in a month there's brand new skin. Learn to tie your laces right. Learn to float, relaxed and light. Rowing. Learn to count, clean up to 10, learn to count back down again. Watch the moon grow round and fat, then thin again. Imagine that. And all of it in 1 month flat. So a month is a much longer period of time in which many things can happen and you can do many things in a month. A second is a hiccup. 60 seconds makes a minute. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. 24 hours makes 1 day. 7 days makes 1 week. And 4 weeks makes 1 month. Most of the months are 30 or 31 days long, by the way, except for February, which is 28 or 29 days long. How long is a year? 12 months together makes a year. A great big circle spinning around. Climb aboard. You're 1 year bound. You'll grow right out of your old shoes and taller too. Now that's good news. Sunshine, snow, and rain and squall. Winter, spring, summer, fall. All 4 seasons in 1 year. Twigs on trees grow leaves and peaches. See how far a whole year reaches? Tiny babies learn to walk. Bigger babies learn to talk. Holidays of every kind linked together in a line. When your birthday's almost here, you are older by 1 year. That's right. Changes come and changes go. Round and round the years you'll grow. Till you're bigger, till you're bolder, till you're ever so much older. And through all the hours and days, as time unfolds in all its ways, you will be loved as surely as a second is a hiccup. Hiccup! Lovely. 1 second is a hiccup. 60 seconds makes a minute. 60 minutes makes an hour. 24 hours makes 1 day. 7 days makes 1 week. 4 weeks make a month. And 12 months make a year. And as we know, it takes 1 year for the earth to go round the sun. The end.